Hi guys!
Pareho pa tayo.
We're going to church right now.
Yes, Sunday. It's Sunday.
Yeah, it's Sunday and we're going to church today.
But I was off yesterday and today, so usually that is my pamper day. Sunday will be my pamper day kapag off ako ng Sabado at Linggo. So ngayon, mag-church muna kami, tapos ipapakita namin sa inyo. Ay, si Mami lang, kasi ano ko lang yan, assistant ko lang yan. Sinasama ko lang yan, pero pamper day ko ngayon kasi off ako kahapon, at least naka-rest. Kaya mamaya magpapamassage ako, siguro magpa-pedicure, magpakilay. Ayan, kapag ilalapit ko yan, parang ano na yan, bundok na yung aking kilay.
Yeah.
Magpapakilay tayo ngayon. Do you know what is that? So anyway, let's go to church first.
Yeah, and buy knuckles and roots made out of Lego.
Patay, magpapabili pala. My goodness. Kakabili
I always
lang namin. We
want-
just bought yesterday, Hansel.
Yeah, I always want Sonic Lego.
Okay. But anyway, naku, hindi ko na nasasabi yung mga this channel is all about my nursing life. Si Nurse Annie, this is Nurse Annie again. Welcome back to my channel.
And this is Hosen.
Oh, yan, si Hansel. Ano ba to?
And this is Hosen.
This channel
Welcome to this channel is by our channel.
Oh, our child, gusto niya daw sumama. Sabi niya kahapon, Mommy, this is already our channel. Mommy and Hazel channel, sabi niya. But anyway, this channel is all about my nursing life, my nursing adventure, my American dream, and everything in between. Kaya medyo napapadalas yung parang mga activities, daily activities na sinushow ko. Ay, ina-upload ko. Sana magustuhan ninyo. At least nakikita ninyo yung mga typical na buhay, simpleng buhay dito sa Amerika.
And I buy this Mario shirt. Do you like it? I hope you do.
Okay, see you later again.
Bye!
Yan naman ang gusto ko pag weekend. Hindi masyadong truck. Walang masyadong sasakyan dito. Di ba pag dyan sa atin sa Pilipinas, nako, pag weekend, yun naman ang punong-puno ng sasakyan ang kalsada. But here in America, or at least here sa kung nasaan kami, pag weekend, wala ka talagang masyadong makikitang mga sasakyan. Parang lahat ng tao nasa bahay nagpapahinga. Ganyan, tayong mga Pilipino lang ang mahilig mag-duty pag weekend, pero sila ayaw nilang nag-duty ng weekend.
Yeah.
Kaya ang kalsada is maluwag. Ganyan pag weekend, gusto kong mag-travel pag weekend. Sa mga nandito na sa Amerika, ganyan din ba? Ang state kung nasaan kayo ngayon, share nyo din naman. Let me see. Okay, put it on. Huh?
Saw that the raindrops were falling in the sky again.
It's okay. I'll go inside.
A huge raindrop wet my clothes.
It's okay. Okay, so the mass just ended. We just came from church and now we are going for massage. No, maybe a foot spa first, okay? We're going for Mommy's foot spa first, okay?
Mommy, I want to buy knuckles made out of Lego is biggest enemy.
Okay, after today is Mommy's pamper day, so we have to go first for Mommy's appointments, okay? Before you. So we'll go probably for foot spa first and then we'll go to massage, okay? Okay, see you
Mama.
later.
Bye.
Okay, so this is Rayford Road. Where is this? And now this is Robinson. Robinson Road. We will just pass by VG. I just have to get some papers there or some forms before we will go for foot massage. Hazel, are you strapped? Are you strapped, Hazel? Ito po, nandito na po kami sa Village Gate. Ayan, Village Gate Apartments. Siyempre dito, kailangan ng code.
I'm gonna make my own YouTube channel.
Yes, we will make your own YouTube channel. Hi, we're going for massage.
Yeah, we're going for massage, guys. And I'm gonna buy knuckles and hooch made out of Lego. Gummy CD. Mommy is tired right now.
Yes, mommy needs some pampering. Of
Yeah,
course.
today is pampery day for my mom. And she needs massage because she's tired, right?
Yes. So, andito tayo sa mall. Magpapamassage ang Nurse Annie. Nako, yung mga nandito sa Fayetteville.
Yeah,
Massage din pag may
we went
time.
to Fayetteville before and can do the hotel.
No, Fayetteville. We're in Fayetteville.
We're in Fayetteville.
We're here. Good, it's not a lot of people here. No, there. I'm showing there. There.
So here we are in massage right now. Okay, so here we are in massage right now. There's no alarm. Okay, so we're here in massage right now, and there's no a lot of people anywhere. And I just went to get airheads from Maria House, my friend. I have met her before. And my mom is gonna get massage because she's tired, and we're here already in Cross Creek.
Okay. Dito lang kasi bawal ang maingay.
Yeah.
So yan, 'di ba? Tayong mga nurses, kailangan din natin ng mga pampering na ganito paminsan-minsan. So, I'm sure kahit saan naman may mga ganito na massage parlor, di ba? Kailangan din natin yan once in a while. Hindi naman masyadong mahal. Ano ba dito? Papakita ko sa inyo yung prices. O, di ba? Maganda dito kasi may foot massage, may whole body massage, or chair lang. Chair, yan yung chair.
Chair.
Yung foot massage yun nandun. Later we will do that one. Sa loob
Yes.
naman yung
This is
whole
the
body.
chair. This is the whole body massage. This is the whole body massage.
No, whole body massage is inside. Yan.
saw that my Roblox account, it's keeping disconnecting.
Then you connect again.
Already connect. Already connect. It says connected.
Okay.
Now it's keeping disconnecting.
Okay.
What is wrong with you, Roblox?
Commandments. Oh, I want the body and food massage. Half.
Wow. 30.
Yes.
Okay.
So, how long do you want to?
30 and 30.
Okay, you want cover? What?
Yeah, I'm thinking.
This is massage.
Okay. Close? Okay. Hold on. Okay. Can you? Yeah. Can you turn it off? So, another pampering that I do is, oh, not this one, this one. 10 a.m. Sarado pala sila pag linggo. Patay tayo dyan. So, balik ako bukas. Hi! Hi!
Okay, thank you friends. That's it for my pamper day. Those are usually the things that I do, during my pamper day. And of course, iba pa yung shopping. Pero alam nyo na, that would be for another video dahil alam nyo na ang shopping is mahaba-haba yan. But anyway, thank you again so much. And thank you for watching our videos. And
don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button and click on one of those videos that's on your screen right now. Bye!
see you on our next video. Bye, friends.
Bye!